Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Abdul Alim, an assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today, I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the student of class 7. Okay. Dear students, today's topic is email. This is second class on email. Today we will talk about email number 3 and 4. Today's lecture is 15 and SW 14. Now let's have a look. This is email number 3. Suppose you have been informed that your younger brother is not regular in his taking physical exercise. Now write an email to him to be regular in his physical exercise. Your younger brother, here will be brother, Tanim, and think you are Tonima. Okay. To and subject, this is a format of email. You can follow, you can write this format. To, here will be sender email, receiver email address. Sorry, here will be receiver email address like my dear Tanim. When you write email address, that means every alphabet will be small letter and there will be no space. Subject for taking physical exercise. This is salutation, my dear Tamim. These are main body. Dear students, you just remember your email that means must have in a page. I am very worried hearing that you are not keeping good health for the last few days. Perhaps you do not take regular physical exercise. I would request you to take regular exercise. A well-known proverb goes that a sound mind lives in a sound body. Mere acquisition of knowledge without sound health is of no use to society. There lies a close connection between body and the mind. That means physical exercise is related to a close connection between body and the mind, and a well-known proverb is there, a sound mind lives in a sound body. If the body is unsound, the mind must unsound. We cannot think of a sound mind without a sound health. It is physical exercise which enables us to build a good health, which is the key to success. It gives strength to our brain. There are different types of exercise. Good forms of exercise are walking, swimming, riding, cycling, rowing, gymnastics, playing outdoor and indoor games. These are the well-known, that means well-known exercise, physical exercise. You may start with walking. If you continue walking for a few days, I believe you will be fully cured and you will feel better. Yours ever. Yours ever, here will be, think you are Tonima. That means your name, Tonima. Now go to next, email number 4. Your friend has brought one of your important books. Your examination is near, so you need the book badly. Now write an email to your friend asking him to return the book. Answer 2, that means here will be receiver email address like dear Ahsan. Ahsan@gmail.com, and subject request to return a book. Dear Ahsan, your letter carrying many good news is just to hand. We are all happy to hear the news of your brilliant results. My final examination is near at hand. I am at present badly in need of the book Chaudhary Hussain English Grammar. This is a famous book of English by Chaudhary Hussain. This is writer who is you brought from me long ago. Since you do not need the book at present, I request you kindly to return it as soon as possible. If you need it again, I will give it to you after the examination. Okay. Yours ever. Here will be, that means your name, like Shafin. This all for today, and practice a lot. I am giving homework, email number 4, you will submit on Sunday. And listen to your parents. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.